The meeting that Mr. A.L. Haq had with Mr. Hemanta cannot be called as a border talk meeting. It has to be done at an official level. Please understand, these are very, very sensitive and very official matters. So one cannot say that Haq had an official meeting with it's a discussion they had. He went to wish him and congratulate him after taking over as the thing, and mentioned to him that yes, border issue is important. But an official meeting will only take place once in the entire government machinery from both the states are there, and normally it takes place at the Chief Minister's level. So that's number one. So therefore, it would be incorrect to say that a meeting took place on border issue between the Health Minister and the Chief Minister of Assam would be incorrect. It was a casual meeting they had, and they discussed. They happen to be from the same party, so they have been talking about this, which is not an issue at all. They can. But obviously, an official decision will only take place at the Chief Minister's level. Number two, this discussion, as I said, which I clarified in my last meeting also, has been and is going on at very, very different levels. I cannot divulge the content of the discussions that are going on with us, which is with Honorable CM Assam and myself, and Government of India also. But many factors are being discussed. I mentioned to you last week also that the amount of time that I have been spending as an individual in the last 2-3 weeks on any subject, I can fairly tell you that 80% of my time is on the border issue. I now know most of the villages, most of the areas, most of the complications, different CM-ships, different organizations. What I'm trying to tell you is that a lot of work is going on. But let us not get into those details. Officially, very soon we'll be meeting. That's all I can tell you. Very soon we'll be meeting. But unofficially, we are doing a lot of work to try and find an amicable solution to this long pending issue that has been affecting the state and the people, especially in the border area. Yeah. The Home Ministry has expressed the desire to see that interstate issues for all states should be resolved before the 75th year of independence. That is what the Home Ministry has expressed their desire, and which I feel is a very, very fair desire, that even after 75 years, states are still fighting for their borders, is not reflecting too well for the state and the country. So therefore, it's a very genuine desire of the Home Ministry and the Home Minister himself. Secondly, solution is not very simple. It's complicated. For 50 years, we could not find it. But with the new leadership coming in Assam, with the kind of political environment we have in the Northeast, and especially the different understanding we have at the Chief Minister's level, we are able to discuss this matter in a much more detailed manner compared to maybe what it was before. So we could look at a situation where discussions, and this could be a good time to take this discussion forward if we can have all stakeholders on board. We will have a big consultation, try to discuss with as many people as possible. May not be possible to meet everybody, but we will try to give a fair chance so that everybody's voice is heard. And then try to see if we can actually work it out. And I've been very clear in my statement from day one that we will try to find an amicable solution. And if there is not there, then obviously it's something that we will not simply agree to anything that maybe the other side might say. But I feel that there's a positive way forward. I feel that we can find a solution if we put our hearts and minds together in this. We may be able to find a solution, but it's not easy. So, but I am a person who's positive, who believes in trying, who believes that people deserve it. This government is committed to it. We are trying our best.